Hey everyone, I've been meaning to add content to my YouTube channel for a long time. I've been procrastinating, and just when I get over that procrastination, my gym gets renovated, but that's okay. Let's proceed anyway. The first video is about how to do the hanging leg raise, an exercise I believe everybody should be doing and everybody can do. The reason that they can't is this is what happens. Let's do hanging leg raises. Okay, I'm going to hang here like this and do a leg raise, and I can't as hard as I try, so I conclude that I can't do hanging leg raises. The problem is it's a combination of two exercises. You initiate a pull-up, then you lift your legs. And I've seen people go from not being able to do the hang leg raise to using this technique and being able to do it. Watch. Come on. I initiate a pull-up by tensing my lats and bending my arms very slightly. Then I lift my legs and then all the way back down. Okay? As soon as I let that tension out of my lats, I can't do it. Tension in lats, legs up, legs back down, and you're off and running to doing one of the best abdominal exercises out there. The added bonus of a hanging leg raise is keeps your shoulders healthy. That glenohumeral joint needs to be stretched into that position on a daily basis. Keeps your grip strong. If you can't hold on to your body weight on a bar for a minute, you need to work on your grip strength. And the other thing that we don't think about is our internal organs have fascia connecting them. We never stretch that fascia. We're always sitting at our desk working. Stretching your fascia every day, or at least a few times a week, is going to keep those organs functioning a lot better. So, try this technique. Remember, grab the bar, tense the lats, lift the legs, and you'll look like a boss at the gym and get a wicked six-pack while you're at it. Thanks for watching.